It's DIY with the Smyrna Cowboy. All right, let's go do something. All right, this is the first episode of DIY with the Smyrna Cowboy. I'm going to put on this top box flasher from Sling Mods, top case brake flasher, as you can see here. I got my dielectric grease. So let's get started. This should be a fairly easy install. As I always say, should be. Every time I say that, I run into something. So let's go ahead and prep the electronics. Put a little dab will do you in there. Make sure we get a good connection. I don't know how this is going to turn out. The wind's kicking up a little bit, but it's really nice out here. I don't know what the temperature is. It feels like it's about around 62, something like that. So what we'll do here is we'll take off these push pins. Keep forgetting there's a camera right there. Well, that come off fine, but the other one didn't. Always something, isn't it? There we go. This should come off. As you see there. Pull this tab back a little bit and weasel it out. this way. See, there's the tab. And this will go in the unit. The tab is. There we go. Nice little click. And that's there. I need to take my meds, but I can do that afterwards. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll see when I get into editing. Let's see here. That's it. Put the and that's it. So let's just see if the brake lights will work. I have to bring the other camera over here to see. I can't tell if they're working or not. The only way I can tell is going back to the camera. So if you see this video, it worked. And of course, if you didn't, then it's not. So we're just going to go on the assumption that it worked. So that's it. That's the tail light. Let's see, what do you call this thing? The top case brake flasher from Sling Mods. I'll put the link in the description if you want one for your 2020 and up Can-Am Spyder RT Limited. So there you go. This is DIY with the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.
Thank you for your time and attention.